will be making some Pico de Gallo. To start off, I've got some freshly diced tomatoes. It's about a cup and a half of tomatoes. And then to this, I want to add, it's 2 jalapeno peppers I've diced. 1 onion. 2 cloves of garlic. And I've got some cilantro here that I got from Jackson's Orchard. And I'm just gonna chop it up. Okay, now I have a lime. I have put it in the microwave for about 10 seconds to release the juices. And I'm gonna squirt the juice in here. I love lime juice and cilantro together with jalapenos. Yummy, yummy. Now I'm gonna add some garlic powder and some onion powder. Some pepper. And some of my pink Himalayan salt. And give it a stir. And there you have it. Pico de Gallo. Thank you all for watching today. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.